Hi ladies and gentlemen, today's recipe is going to be pickled watermelon. Yes, as you heard it, it's watermelon. I'm not going to use this big watermelon, just I'm going to use those green ones. So we need this size of watermelons to make this pickles. Those 5 watermelons are almost 2 kilograms. For this recipe, I'm going to need salt, sugar, red vinegar, and white vinegar. This is a natural vinegar that made out of apples. Okay, first I'm going to remove this part. Now I'm going to slice the watermelons and I'm going to show you how to slice them. We need to slice the watermelons in the shape of the rings. Almost 10 millimeters, like this thick. Now I'm going to slice them this way into 2 parts. For each liter of water, we need 4 tablespoons of salt, and we need 2 teaspoons of sugar. Also, we need 2 small cups of vinegar, red one and white one. Now it's ready. I'm going to leave it for 10 days. 10 days later, the pickled watermelons are ready. Here are the pickled watermelons. I'm going to show you how to eat them. This part has to be removed. This part is to be eaten and the rest is not. It's really very delicious and it tastes like pickled cucumber. You can hear the sound, it's really delicious. You can try it. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me. See you in the next video.